Today we'll walk you through how to install 33 Lock's IntelliLever. Scan the QR code on top of the box for the full installation guide. You can also download the installation manual from the help docs on our website. Before installing, check that both handles are facing away from the edge of your door. If they need to be adjusted, use the hex key to loosen the screw from the handle. Rotate the handle 180 degrees and tighten the screw back in place. Repeat the process on the back handle. Next, confirm the backset. When installed, the square opening in the latch should align with the center of the bore hole in your door. The latch comes set to 2 3/8 inches. If you need to extend it to 2 3/4 inches, push up on the tab here while pressing in the adjustment pin, then pull to extend. Attach the rubber gasket to the front plate or escutcheon with the arrow facing upwards. Make sure it's fully secure. Attach the other rubber gasket to the back plate, again making sure the arrow is facing up. Now we'll assemble the front escutcheon components. First, insert the spindle, making sure it locks into place. Thread the 3 barrel adjusters onto the screw posts and tighten. Now that everything is prepped and assembled, we're ready to begin installation. Make sure the curved part of the latch is facing the front of the door. Insert the latch into the door frame and confirm the backset is centered. If you haven't already, remove the protective cover from the strike plate. Secure it using the provided 20mm wood screws. To install the front escutcheon, feed the wire through the borehole, insert the spindle into the latch, and bring the lock flush against the door. Attach the cable to the backplate or escutcheon, making sure it clicks securely. Tuck the cable out of the way, then press the back escutcheon against the door. Insert the 3 45mm screws to secure the lock in place. Confirm that the handle moves smoothly and the latch retracts. Your IntelliLever is now installed and ready to connect to the app to create access codes and credentials.